everyone, astrobiologist here. Today we're going to talk about climate change, horse ghosts, and what they both have to do with a lake in Canada. This is Crawford Lake. It's in Ontario, about an hour west of Toronto. It's got a little boardwalk, and you could walk around it in 15 minutes. But here's the deal. Lake Crawford may look like a shallow puddle, but it's actually 75 feet deep. That's about 5 stories, or 15 horses. The surface is so small and the lake is so deep that the water at the bottom never mixes with the water at the top. This region is called the monomolymnion by geologists who love tongue twisters. Once something enters the monomolymnion, it's there for good. This means that every year, the bottom of Crawford Lake gets a new summer layer, that's white, and a new winter layer, that's brown. The layers are composed of stuff that landed on the surface during the year. Pollen, ash, fertilizers, horses, etc. It was actually in the late 1800s that a team of horses and the lumber they were carrying fell through the ice. Legend has it that on winter evenings, you can see their eyes glow red from the bottom of the lake. Okay, so that's the horse ghost part. But what about the climate change part? It turns out that the layers of this lake are so cleanly separated that you can count them back hundreds of years, like tree rings. So you can tell when the indigenous settlement by the lake had campfires, and when they were planting corn. You can tell when the world invented nitrogen-based fertilizers, when plastic was invented. You can even tell what year the nuclear fallout from Hiroshima reached Canada. For this reason, geologists wanted to recognize Crawford Lake as the golden spike site of the Anthropocene, the epoch in which humans come to dominate their environment. This epoch would have started in 1950, but the proposal was shot down in 2024. Nonetheless, the Anthropocene and the disastrous effects of industry on our planet remain. So there you have it. One tiny lake in Ontario contains one of the most precise geologic records of the modern era. Also, some undead horses. Well, thanks for listening, and keep an eye out for my upcoming book, Life in 7 Numbers, out later this year.